Let me call the next innovator as we sort that out. The next innovator is George Ouma Otieno. Please make your way to the podium. As he comes, give him a round of applause. He registered under the Young Innovators category, and his innovation is about a magic camera. Karibu.
Thank you. My name is George Ouma Otieno. I'm a founder of Amo Technologies, and I also work with Kenya Power on large power design. I graduated here with electrical engineering. So back in 2013, when I was still here, I came up with a system, a self-sustaining mobile phone, which was using all the activities when you're using the phone. But now, using the camera was a challenge because nowadays you see so many cameras. If you look at your phone, you see so many cameras. You are happy to see so many cameras, but these are not good. These things consume a lot of power. So I have challenged the manufacturer, and I've come up with a magic camera, which are now using the multi-sensor. Sensor is a circuit that captures the image. So I've managed to mount it on a Galaxy. The video, you can show you the video. I've mounted it on a Galaxy S9, and it was working perfectly. So in this multi-sensor, we are now concentrating on having a one camera with a fixed lens and having sensors moving around with using the artificial intelligence in the Android system. The Android system assists in artificial intelligence to align the sensors. So you can have all the details that are missing using one sensor. You can now get them using the 4 sensors, as shown in the video. That is a screen recording.
When I go to the camera, this is what we get.
So you can see the sensor. The 4 sensors are moving independently. They don't depend on each other. But using artificial intelligence, you can now align them to have the missing details. If the first sensor missed the first detail, you can now get it and align and have a very clear image. So, one of the innovators talked about the biomedical and camera system. So using this one, you can have a continuous zoom and you can have an ultra wide, which is very perfect. This one can be used in biomedics because we can now have all the details that are missing projected in a screen, and using 5G, you can transmit at a very high speed, and now it will enable the doctor or a surgeon to see everything, every detail that he needs, rather than relying on so many cameras that are consuming so much power. So this system, I've worked on it. It's available. It's mounted already in S9 Plus. I'm now scaling it to a smaller device so that we can use it in the future and it will change the world.
Thank you, Ouma. I can tell you having these elevator pitches done today was a collaborative effort. And at this point, I'd like to appreciate Engineer Nathan Yego's input in terms of training the innovators on